In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesforce instance. This process is simple and will take just a few minutes of your time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you've done that, it's time to head over to Salesforce's settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the Quick Settings option. Click on this and a menu will pop up. This menu is essentially your gateway to managing a wide array of configurations for your Salesforce account. Now, the next action you'll want to take is to open Setup. This is a crucial step because Setup is where you'll find the tools necessary to identify your Salesforce instance. So go ahead and click on it. Inside Setup, you'll be delving a bit deeper into the platform's settings, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it all. With the advanced setup now open, you should direct your attention to the Quick Find bar. This is usually located on the left side. Think of the Quick Find bar as your trusty search tool, designed to help you navigate through Salesforce's extensive features swiftly and efficiently. In the Quick Find bar, type in company information and then hit Enter. This simple action will help sift through the myriad options, honing in on the particular information we need for our task today. Once you've located company information, click on it. This section is host to a variety of details about your Salesforce account, and importantly, it includes the specific instance you're connected to. What you need to do now is scroll through the company information page. You'll find a line clearly labeled Instance. This piece of information tells you exactly which instance of Salesforce you are using, whether it's NA1, EU2, or another variation. Finding your Salesforce instance can be crucial for several reasons. It can help with troubleshooting, optimizing your service, or when you're working with customer support. By knowing this piece of information, you're empowering yourself to manage and communicate more effectively when specific regional server issues arise. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Salesforce instance. This knowledge is a valuable addition to your administrative toolkit, particularly useful when handling specific Salesforce tasks or reaching out for support. Thank you for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.